Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can send money from Skrill to Neteller. So the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and log into your Skrill, and from here at the very side you will see here the withdraw button. So you're just going to click on that one. And now from here you have three options, so which is the bank account, the crypto wallet, and Neteller. So let's just click on Neteller. So click on this withdraw now. And from here, you have here the balance. So once you scroll down, you just have to enter the amount that you're going to be sending to Neteller. And then you also have to provide the recipient. So make sure to manually put here the email address, and it must be a valid Neteller email address. And once you're done inputting all the details, just click on the next from here and then confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!